And here it is, another ICS. I'm loving ICS. I have two ICS rifles, so now I got another ICS product. This is the BLE XAE. Open it up. Let's make sure I got this in view. This one's mine. Comes with instruction booklet. Trying to make this quick. There's a magazine. Says 16 rounds on there. That's where the gas goes. Sweet. That is gorgeous. Comes with an adapter to make the grip larger. Comes with a cleaning rod. And I don't know what this is. I'll have to double check to see what this is. And get to opening up the other one. God, this is gorgeous. Look at that. Man. Black leopard eye. That's what the BLE stands for. Made in Taiwan. This is my third ICS product. Loving it. Man, look at the rail on that. Isn't that gorgeous? Mm-hmm. So we're going to go ahead and open up the... look at that. There's the release. Ambidextrous safety. Mag release there. Ambidextrous slide release. You can see. Doesn't matter what side. There's that one. Let's go ahead and put that one aside. No editing on this video. I don't know how to edit. So I'm actually technology ignorant, so excuse me. And I also ordered another spare mag. Open this up really quick. Same thing, same one. 16 rounds. There's the mag port for the, the gas port to fill it up. All right. All right. Did you want to open this up really quick? This is yours.
Okay.
Go ahead, right there. Open that up. My son's gonna open up his. That box is for him. There you go. Go ahead. Yeah, it's 20% off. Paperwork again. Receipt. And I forgot to order it in the other box. There's two of the Condor universal holsters.
What are these?
So I got two of those. One for him, one for me.
Oh, it's a magazine.
Another magazine. That'll show again. There is his. Go ahead and place it right there. There you go. So everybody can see it.
Oh, that's awesome.
Look at that. Get a little closer. Go ahead and rack the slide back. Look at that. Let me see. That one got some oil all over the place. Why is that? See the oil on there? Let's go. Here's the magazine. Let's go ahead and place the magazine in. There you go. Same thing as the tan one. Ambidextrous slide release. Mag release is ambidextrous also. You can see the trigger here is almost similar to a two-stage trigger. There's a little bit of give there. And then right here you can see the safety. Push it in and it's on safe. And then go back on this side, push it back out, and it'll fire. That is nice. BLE, Black Leopard Eye. And his also comes with the little rod and another extended to make the grip wider. There we go. I'm gonna try out the Condor holster, make sure it fits, and we're gonna shoot it and see if it makes sure they work.